Hey, hey, hey! Today's the day we get naked, you guys. Today I'm going to do a very neutral, nude makeup look. I've got my foundation on and I've got my brows did. I'm gonna use this angled eyeshadow brush. I believe this is brush number 9. And I'm going to use this 4-well eyeshadow palette. So this is color number 38. This is color number 36. This is number 32. This is number 8. Let's use the white first. Number 32. For this, we've got the color on the tip of the brush. We're going to keep our eyes open, put the brush into the crease of the eye, and go back and forth like windshield wipers. Now that the color is placed, we're going to use the same brush with the tip pointed down, little circles to blend. Now that we've got that blended, we're going to do an outer corner color. That is going to be color number 8. Tap the tip of the brush into the color, knock off the excess, and stamp it onto the outer corner of the eye. Now you're going to want to almost clean your brush off, just to make sure there's not a lot of extra product on the end of your brush. And we're going to use circles again to blend into the crease. The last step of this eyeshadow is to use a lid color. I've chosen this pale pink, number 36. And then again, knock all that excess color off of your brush and then just lightly blend. I've got my dual-ended brown eyeliner pencil called Work Hard, Play Hard, and we're going to use just the matte brown side today. The other side's a shimmery brown. And all I'm going to do is apply a little bit to the outer corner and then kind of smudge it. And a little bit to the outer corner on the upper side as well. Now add some mascara. I'm going to use my matte bronzer. This is bronzer number 3. I'm going to use my favorite matte blush, blush number 1. I'm going to finish this matte nude look off with one of my favorite nude lip colors. This is Moon Pie. To keep this really soft and subtle, I'm going to scrape off most of the color, apply it to the center. This creates more of a lip stain than a liquid lipstick finish. That's my nude, neutral, matte makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.